Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's a bright and sunny Tuesday morning here in Cape Town and I'm off to play tennis in 45 minutes, so I just wanted to get this pour done so that I could edit the video when I get back and upload it for you guys to see. Today, as you can see, we're going to be doing a long rectangular pour. It's going to be a swipe and the colors I'm using today, I thought I'd do purple again, surprise surprise, pink, and the other color we're going to be using is a nice copper, metallic copper, and then I've got some black and white as well. My cell activator is the white. So yeah, hoping that we're going to get lots of cells out of this. And today we're also going to be trying a new swipe technique. Instead of using the cling film, I'm just going to be using a sheet of A4 paper. So I'm hoping that's going to work out well. Right guys, I think we're ready to get the paints down. I'm going to start with the purple all the way down the middle. Right, there we go guys. And now for the first time I'm going to try the swipe just with a piece of A4 paper. I'm hoping that it's going to give a smoother edge than the cling film, which is a little bit jagged, but I'm not really sure if it's going to work or not. So let's see what it does. Right guys, there we go. We are already getting some crazy cell action there. I did put 15 drops of the cell activator, of the silicone into the white that I used as my cell activator. Of course, 1 part paint, 3 parts Floetrol for my cell activator, and then a little bit of silicone in there. I think that's why we're getting these crazy cells going on here. And I think once I flame, it's really going to bring out those cells. I just want to do the sides here. Right guys, there we go. I think I've got it all, and I'm now going to flame it and just see what happens in terms of these cells. There's already a lot of cells there, so I'm sure this is just going to bring out even more. Right, there you go guys. I'm sure you'll agree that is a stunning swipe, and I'm super stoked with it. I did like using the paper. I thought it worked quite well in terms of having a smooth edge when you pull. The only thing is it's not as obviously flexible as the cling film, so the edges don't get as well covered, but I think that's a small price to pay in terms of getting those nice straight lines. Perfect, there we go. I'm just going to give it one more blast with the flame. See if we can get the last little bit of cells coming through. Once again, cell madness. I think I finally got the consistency of the paints right, which means that the cells have a chance to develop nicely. And as you can see, it is a festival of cells. And I particularly like these sort of larger ones in the center here, going out to the smaller ones. Which looks really good. There's a bit of copper coming through here, so once that dries we're going to get the metallic effect. So yeah, I'm super stoked with that. I think it looks great, and I haven't done one of these done one of these long rectangular pours for a while, so I'm just happy that it's worked out for the best. Right guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this pour. I hope you're not getting sick of me pouring with purple. As you all know, it is my favorite color, so I am always happy to use it in my pours, and I hope that you guys enjoy the results too. Guys, as I always say, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I think we're almost up to 270 subscribers, so we get a few more every video. And obviously, if you are not subscribed and you're watching the video, why don't you hit that subscribe button and be one of the first people to get the new videos as they come out. If you're not already sharing my videos with your friends, please do so. It would be great if you could post some links on your Facebook page and try get some more people interested in what we are doing here. Right guys, that's it for now. Hope you have a good week. I'm off to play tennis shortly. It's super hot already, so I'm probably going to be destroyed after, but I do need the exercise. But yeah, that's it. Have a good week. I'm going to cut to the close-up now. Cheers.